Hello, everyone. I'm Sam Reichard. You're watching OBTVLive.com. Your weather almanac today brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. Located at 5847 Getwell Road in Suite A8, right across from the water tower there at Snowden Grove. Relax and enjoy the birds. Here's your weather almanac. Our high today should be 73 degrees. Low tonight, 66. By the afternoon, we should have an 80% chance for thunderstorms in the area. Average high this time of year, 85. Average low, 66. The record high temperature was 95, set in 1962 on this date. The record low, 47 degrees in 1925. Sunrise today at 5:49 a.m., sets at 8:05 p.m. That means you have 1 minute, 10 seconds more daylight today compared to yesterday. Winds today will be from the east, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Yesterday, received about 0.67 inches of rain. We're well over 3 inches above normal for what May normally receives. I'm Sam Reichard. Thanks for watching.